So we're here at Copper Springs property, 376 units that we're going to be purchasing from one of the largest operators in the country. And as you can see behind me, the property is in fantastic shape. It is in Jersey City, which is one of the submarkets in Houston. We love Houston. It has the #1 projected population growth in the country. It's #2 for net immigration. It's got fantastic job growth numbers. NVIDIA, Apple are bringing 3,000 new jobs to this market. So it's just a outstanding growth story. We own over 1,500 units within 10 miles of this property, over 500 units in this immediate area. So this is one of our favorite markets. We're very familiar with the rent metrics here, as well as the expense ratios. Our top performing asset, which is Preserve at Copperleaf, purchased in May of 2024, is just over a mile down the road. So we know what our expense ratios are gonna be. And we plan to take the economies of scale from our team and the same plan that we've done there. And that's going to contribute to the projected 18% NOI growth over the next 5 years in this property with very modest rent increases of about 3%. So we're very excited to add this to the portfolio, and I'm going to show you around some of the units and the rest of the property. So the current owner, as you can see, does a terrific job in terms of exterior maintenance. I really like the architecture on this property. They do a really nice job with their construction and their quality. And I'm gonna take you inside to show you some of the floor plans today. So here we are in one of the model units. This is a 2-bedroom. Excellent layout, wonderful bathrooms here. You also have a washer dryer in every unit, which is terrific for this area. Very spacious. This is a first floor unit, so we have wood flooring, as well as a nice outdoor patio area as well. So, the weather's nice, especially when it's cool this time of year. You can come out here. And then the kitchens and backsplashes, color combos. And here, a nice model unit is very well laid out. It shows very nicely. So here we are at Copper Springs at the pool and clubhouse. Just a fantastic social area here. It's February, but it's in the 60s here today, and the pool's open year round. We also have a game room here, as well as an outdoor kitchen. You have the pool area that we just checked out, and the rest of the clubhouse transitions over to the gym. Really nice sized gym. It's got my favorite kettlebells here. I'm always looking for it. Hey, so I'm here with Sam Morris of LSCRE. Sam, I'm excited. We're doing our 9th acquisition together here in Houston, and we're here at Copper Springs. As you can see, it's a beautiful property. We just finished touring with the staff, and we got our top performing asset right down the road, Copperleaf.
We do. Yeah.
I'd love to hear a couple words about why you and the team are so excited for this acquisition.
Yeah, being here right now at a brother property of our best performing asset, Copperleaf, it's just one of those things from an underwriting perspective. We were so excited we got an opportunity to get this property. For starters, we didn't think we were going to get it because of where we were bidding. We thought the pricing would be so much higher than where it actually ended up trading. In addition to that, we have so many efficiencies that we can bring to this property, both from an operational perspective and just from a product perspective of what we know the market wants from a marketing standpoint. That this is something we're excited to bring to our investors because we see just great risk-adjusted returns right here.
Yeah, and one of the things that I like, Sam, is this is really turnkey for us because we know the rents in the market, we have staff already in the market, and this isn't a complex value add plan. The way we're going to increase NOI here is through really expense optimization.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing. You can see it in our underwriting too. We got about $450,000 in savings that we can bring in year one here, which is just a tremendous value add. So many people think you have to do so many different things, spend so much money to try to get the property to earn so much money. But as Craig says, we could do the Doge route here. There's expense reductions, and when you can do that too, you increase NOI by lowering the expenses, and that just creates immediate value for our investors.
Fantastic.